I know many people are tired, but many of our hospitals are still struggling beyond capacity. It's been a long 2 years. However, please now do your part to lean into this current moment. Now is the time to do what we know works: wear a mask, get vaccinated, and get boosted.
CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky sharing an update Wednesday on the spread of COVID-19 in the U.S. While the number of new confirmed cases is dropping there and hospitalizations nationally appear to be leveling off, coronavirus deaths have surpassed the Delta peak from back in September and are now hitting an 11-month high.
The 7-day average daily deaths are about 2,200 per day, which is an increase of about 21% over the previous week.
Some states, though, are still seeing record COVID hospitalizations. The latest projection from the CDC, it's predicting at least 62,000 more COVID deaths in the U.S. over the next 4 weeks. About 63% of Americans are fully vaccinated, with the campaign to get out shots stalling. One story on jabs out of the U.S. making headlines Wednesday is about a 31-year-old Boston man whose family says he was at the front line to receive a heart transplant, but because he's not been vaccinated against COVID-19, he's no longer eligible, according to hospital protocols. The man's father telling CBS getting vaccinated is against his son's basic principles. The hospital said it was following policy. To Denmark, the country now gearing up to drop all of its domestic COVID restrictions next week, even though its number of Omicron cases remains high. This follows similar moves recently out of the UK and the Netherlands, where it appears hospital and ICU admissions are not surging in line with infections. Austria's lockdown for people who are not fully vaccinated, it will end on Monday because the government says pressure on hospitals has eased. But other countries like Germany are considering adding new measures. German lawmakers are debating whether to make vaccinations mandatory. Daily cases here just hit an all-time high Wednesday. Melissa Duggan, City News.